In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio files to ChatGPT. We'll start from a fresh browser window and finish with a clear, useful prompt so your audio gets processed exactly the way you want. First, open your browser and head to Google. This is just a quick way to get to the official site. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit Enter. In the results, click the official ChatGPT website. You'll know you're in the right place when you land on the familiar chat interface. If you're already signed in, you can continue. If not, sign in as you normally do so you can access the chat. Once the chat page loads, look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon next to where you type. Click that plus icon. This opens a menu that lets you bring content into your conversation. From the menu, click Add Photos and Files. This tells ChatGPT you want to attach something from your device rather than just typing a message. A file picker will pop up so you can browse your computer or phone. Now, choose the audio file you want to upload. Common formats like MP3, WAV, and M4A work well. If you have multiple versions, pick the clearest recording. Clean audio helps produce better transcripts and summaries. If your file name is a jumble, consider renaming it to something meaningful before uploading, like Interview January MP3, so it's easy to spot and reference in your prompt. Large files may take a moment to upload depending on your connection. Just let the progress finish before you continue. After the file appears in the chat composer, you can type a prompt if you want. This step is optional, but it makes a big difference in the quality of the response. Be specific about your goal. For example, you might write, "Please transcribe this audio verbatim and add timestamps every minute," or "Summarize the key points and list action items," or "Translate this audio to English and provide a short summary." If the recording includes speakers, you can say, "Label speakers if possible," or ask for a bulleted outline of themes. Clarity helps ChatGPT focus on what matters to you. When you're ready, send the message. Processing time varies with the length and quality of the audio, so give it a moment. That's all there is to it. Open ChatGPT, click the plus, add your file, and include a clear prompt to get the best results.